Welcome back, Captain Morgan fans. I am Steve the Barman and I'm coming at you from the UK with the US kind of crazy Captain Morgans, the orange and vanilla. And I know I'm massively late to the party. This was the summer edition in the US. We don't get them in the UK, but it is proper. I have got the UK stamp on it. It is proper. And I found one supplier that kind of imports them to the UK. And as I film this, I can't wait. I'm days away from the sliced apple hitting me. So I cannot wait to get that open. This one is lovely. Orange and vanilla. Really, really delicious. Kind of a few obvious cocktails I'm going to make with this. Amazing. So let's dive straight into it. The first one, I'm kind of just simply do a very quick and innocent Mai Tai flip up with this. Again, this just works, an absolute treat. So, 60 ml. 60 ml. Can we call that double bubble? If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to my grapefruit one, Captain Morgan grapefruit. So I'm going 60 ml, 2 ounces of the orange and vanilla twist in there. Because that's got the orange in there, I don't need the orange curacao or the triple sec or the fortunella that I would normally use. It's already in there. So I'm just going for the whole sort of lime, sugar and almond thing going on. So, freshly squeezed lime juice now, 15 ml of that, half an ounce. I'm going 15 ml of orgeat, the Cornish chav in me, orgeat, 15 ml of that. And then, I just want, I've gone 15 ml of that. I just want literally about 5 ml. Of normal sugar. I like to go with this. I just like to go a little bit almond heavy on there. So I just want 5 ml of Demerara just to kind of bring it to that sort of standard 20 kind of ml that you would kind of put in a Mai Tai. Bitters, I'm not going to use Angostura bitters. Instead, I'm going to use, or sort of that is aromatic bitters. Instead, I'm going to use orange bitters. Angostura do orange bitters in these, but that's the brand I use. They're just they're less bitter, but more vibrant in orange. I really love these. These are orange tree bitters. So I'm just going for about 1/3 of a pipette. A bit too much. There we go, about 1/3 of a pipette of those. Now just bring the orange through. Don't forget, I've already got the vanilla notes in there as well. And they're a Canadian brand, they just work a treat. So I'm just going to ice this down now. There we go, pop that in there. And we're going to shake it, proper welly, hard fast, 10-12 seconds. And as I always say, I'm rubbish at naming my cocktails, so I need you guys to get involved, name these drinks, just pop them in your suggestions in the comments below. And if you've got any other recipes for Captain Morgan orange and vanilla twist, then let me know in the comments below. What have you made up? And there'll probably be you guys in the States. I want to hear from you. So, and also, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, you're going to want to. Right, high frost. Right. When you are happy, I'm going to double strain this into, you could do a Mai Tai, proper Mai Tai glass with ice and things. I just like this. This is a cool little Mai Tai glass. Double strain. Look at that, perfect. And then garnish for this, I'm just kind of going standard for my garnish. I've already got one here. Excuse fingers. I've got a little orange. Actually, want the orange first. Dehydrated orange. Just pop that on there. The excuse fingers. The cherry can then sit on top, or fall in. And then I'm just going to actually sort of stick a little sprig of mint in here as well. A little sprig. That'll do. That one's perfect. No, where are we going? This one's perfect. Look. Sprig of mint. And I've kind of got an orange and vanilla sort of Mai Tai going on. Oh. The orange notes, the subtle hint of vanilla, the almond. Oh, it's a great drink now. Amazing. Right, cocktail number 2. Another fun, easy one coming up here. And again, I think this is going to work, an absolute treat in this one. So, Again, we're going to make this up in a cocktail shaker. I'm going 60 ml again, 2 ounces of your orange and vanilla twist. I hope this is coming back in the US for 2021 because it's really good. Really good, like that. So, as I say, we've got 60 ml going in there. I now want some ginger syrup. So you could use ginger liqueur, breaking my bar as I go along. I've just got some ginger syrup and I want 15, half an ounce, 15 ml. Oh, ginger syrup, ginger cordial, ginger, orange and ginger. We know that goes well. And we know from the spiced rums in the UK, we know orange, ginger and vanilla goes really well as well. So chopping board on the floor I've just destroyed. So lime juice, 15 ml of lime juice going in there. Now the final ingredient is a little bit crazy, and excuse the brand, it's just supermarket brand that I have in the UK. I actually get it from Tesco's. It's just coconut water. I'm just going for some coconut water. I just kind of wanted to have a shelf-stable coconut water, just, you know, if I needed someone to spare, because the Vita Coco is obviously kind of fresh. And at times of lockdown, I can't have, you know, I can't just nip to the supermarket when I want to. So I've got a shelf-stable can. That's all. This one's quite nice. It's all right. It's got bits of coconut, chunks of coconut in there. So I want 50 ml of coconut water. Just going into the drink. So coconut, orange, vanilla, amazing ginger. Right, ice this down. There we go. And then again, shaky, shaky, hard, fast shake, 10-12 seconds. And I just thought, shaking this down, if there obviously will be UK people watching, you think, oh, do you know what, I really want... You can get that in the UK. As I said, there'll be a link in the show notes. However, it's very different products, but we have got orange and ginger kind of drinks going on. They just haven't got that hint of vanilla. I'm just going to show you this purely for the brand. It's not the actual one. 2 Swallows, my mate Tom, who's famous for the grenades as well. He's got an orange and ginger spiced rum. As I say, it's not this one. This is the carrot sour caramel. But orange and ginger. But another distillery in the UK rock out this Karasimbi, and this is, I think this has got hints, yeah, vanilla. This is orange ginger and vanilla in there. So again, it doesn't taste anything remotely close to that, but it's the same sort of flavour profiles. All right, so you've got kind of alternatives in the UK. Right, where were we? So if you're in a proper bar, fresh ice in there. If you're at home, shake and dump. Cool, misjudged that, didn't I? Misjudged that. Little bit left in there for Stevie. Not much. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, that is amazing. Cool, the real ginger. That ginger kick comes through. Haven't even got to the garnish yet. Oh, wow. I absolutely love that. What am I going to garnish this with? Sprig of mint. Let's go and have a sprig of mint. This definitely deserves dehydrated orange on there. Wow. That is amazing. Love that. Oh, that's going to be tough to beat for my favourite. Keep an eye at the end of the video for Mummy Barman's rankings as well. Right. Point of the video. Thank you, Patreons, you legends. I just need to give you a quick shout out. Thank you so much for your love and support. Your names will be scrolling across the bottom of the video. Keep it short and sweet. Go and check if you're interested in becoming a member of my community. The Facebook group has just opened. It's brand new. You get the updated cocktail book every single month. You can always download the free one, pin comment every single video. But if you want to get involved, come and join the gang in there. We've got regular cocktail competitions going on now. I just love to try and give back, to try and help, teach, educate, bring a community closer together. That's what we're trying to do. So go and check out my Patreon. If it's for you, come and join us. Right then, the final cocktail that I'm going to rock out is a bit of fun. Bit of fun. And I think this will work really, really well. So let's dive straight into it. Name suggestions, please, in the comments. Let's crack on. 60 ml, double bubble. I'm just going to assume that obviously 60ml is a double bubble in America. It's obviously double 1 ounce, isn't it? 2 ounces, it's double. So 60ml, if you've got no idea what I'm talking about, go back to my Captain Morgan grapefruit video, as I said. Right, 60ml of the orange and vanilla twist. I am going for some posh banana liqueur. Banana. Love this. Giffard. It's amazing. The normal Giffard is lovely as well. And the normal Bowls banana is lovely as well. It's just a whole different level. Right, 15.15ml of Giffard banana. Banana do Brazil. That's amazing. Right. Some freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm going 22.5ml, 3/4 of an old ounce. In there. And a couple more ingredients to come. I'm just going for some sugar syrup. And I'm going just 10ml of sugar syrup. There we go. What's missing? Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. My last little bit of the bottle. Go through so much of this. I love this. Supermarket own brand pineapple juice. Absolutely fine. Just try and get 100% pressed. There's 6 pineapples in there. No concentrate, no water, just 6 pineapples. Lovely. And I'm going, I'm going 45ml actually, 1.5 ounces. So it's thrown me because I've got all the recipes on my notes there in UK 25s and 50s. I've just decided to go 60ml on the spur of the moment. So I'm just kind of adapting as we go along. Now, pineapple juice, it's up to you whether you do this. You don't really need to because it will froth up. I am just going to add some foamers to this because I want a lovely kind of frothy, proper froth thing going on at the end. And pineapple juice will, but these are, it's just the brand that I use, vegan, shelf stable, no need for eggs, 160 egg whites in a bottle, and you just need slightly less than that actually, about 1/4 to 1/3 of a pipette in there. Right, as it's got juice in there, I found out if you're using that with juice, you don't really need to dry shake it, but if you're doing it just pure alcohol, then you kind of need to dry shake it first. I don't know whether that's how it's supposed to be, but it's just what I found. Anyway. Shake this down. There we go. That'll do. And then just give it some proper welly. There we go. Good old shakedown. Right, and then double strain this bad boy into our... See, I've got the matching set, look. Can you see? That's why I use that glass, look. Matching set. Look at that. Right. Double strain. Get rid of all the tiny little shards of ice. See, look at that. Lovely. Banana, pineapple, the orange and vanilla rum. Oh, it's going to be amazing. I can feel it in my little bones. Right, garnish for this. I've got a pineapple. A rather massive chunk of pineapple that I haven't sliced into yet. Let's just do this. There we go. Did that go through? Of course, poor TV in it, poor TV. There we go, proper. And now I'm just going for the old. We'll do a little triangle. Going to do 3 drops on top. Oh, okay, fine. Here we go. That'll do. 1 in the middle for luck. Boom. Boom. Right, get in there. So there we have it. Mummy Barman's will probably be already on screen. Her little order, her favourites. And if you've not seen Mummy Barman, tune in on Sunday nights live streams. Oh, I don't think I can't pick which one she's going to go for. To be honest, not a Scooby-Doo. I'm going to hedge my bets with that one. I think she's going to put that one first. I don't know. I'm not getting involved anyway. Loads more Captain Morgan's videos right there. I will see you next time.